In this video, I'm going to show you how to show command prompt on cursor. If you're an Autocad user, you know how essential it is to have the command prompt readily accessible. Typically, the command prompt is located at the bottom of the screen, allowing you to quickly type commands without navigating through menus. However, there may be times when you want the command prompt to appear directly on your cursor for even more seamless access. Let's walk through the steps to achieve this. First, ensure you have the traditional command prompt at the bottom of the screen. This is where you normally type commands. Now, if you want that command prompt to appear right next to your cursor, you'll need to make a couple of adjustments. To begin, type dyn mode into the command prompt at the bottom of the screen and press Enter. Once you've done that, type the number 3 and press Enter again. This action activates the dynamic input feature, which is essential for displaying the command prompt on your cursor. Now, let's make sure everything is set up correctly. Press the F12 key on your keyboard. This key toggles dynamic input on and off. Check to see if the command prompt now appears on your cursor. If it's still not visible, don't worry, we have another step to try. Type dyn prompt into the command line and press Enter. This command adjusts the visibility settings of the command prompt. After entering prompt, type the number 1 and press Enter again. This action should finally bring the command prompt to your cursor, giving you easier and more intuitive access to your most commonly used commands. And there you have it. The command prompt should now be visible on your cursor, making it easier and faster to input commands without taking your eyes off your drawing area. Having the command prompt right at your cursor can significantly improve your workflow by minimizing distractions and streamlining command inputs. Remember, if you ever want to revert to the traditional view where the command prompt is only at the bottom, you can repeat these steps and adjust the settings back to your preferred state. Now you're ready to work more efficiently with your command prompt comfortably at your cursor in Autocad. If you liked this, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.